The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow.
Also the villagers work locally for one year. That is, on this work, they shaping or structuring action.
Kabek dan klam, kabah sisin cisnam, jong kasin Raj Mukhla. Bat kabah kadu ban pendap nabaro akirat hari lum jaintia. Kalapoi no asya kabakun, hak apun rutrik nailar aja apun riau, hapung Aitnar, hapadeng kajing ipu ipieng. UMP ke Rajya Sabha, ujian speaker sangma, uluan sakhilang hakani kasngi, kum ukongsan. Ringkat kajingan lang, menteri ke sarkar jela ubak wailat miki shela. Kino nyalam kasin Raj beper, na luar ki hajar ngot ki pajba. Hakani kasngi, UMP ulapan benaru, man penyok jingerap pisa, kumba arpaulak tengka, sya kasin Raj Mukhla. Na kebentaban Pynbha, ya ki Bynta ki badan saudong saukun hakapung Aitnar. Mentau senam keladan katsau teligirot ki belawan ra syakabiar ringkat ke kemen karisa kasyat ke kenhoi bat hadin belada pensyat igirot labar pat yaki kum kadak kacing penkut ya kali nyam be dan klam.
Welcome our chief guest, our honorable MP, member of parliament from Rajya Sabha. You are most welcome, sir, to Mukhla. You are a lifesaver to me because we were so confused, as you know that our bed income falls during this session. So that's why we were so confused now whom to call. But really, like I said, you are a lifesaver, and I must thank you on behalf of the Seiñ Mukhla just by the phone call, and we didn't met you personally, but you have agreed to come. So sir, on behalf of Seiñ Mukhla and the whole of Mukhla village, so sir, as your younger brother, sir, and also as the advisor, as a person, as a resident of this village, sir. So will humbly, sir, we request you, if possible, to support us in order so we can really beautify this area. And our focus in the coming days is not only on the spiritual or religious. We want to project it as a tourism, as a cultural tourism as well. So, sir, for this, we're really looking forward to you for your generous support, sir.
I am indeed very honored, and I feel so happy to be here. Mawaila was mentioning about the doubt they had about getting a guest for this program. But let me tell you that I would have event so that more and more people can participate in it. And to come to the memorandum which has been submitted today by the Office of the Seiñ, I would like to very, very happily say this, that I, having been elected as a representative to the upper house from the state of Meghalaya, it is indeed a great privilege for me to be given this memorandum, and I assure the members of the Seiñ, Mukhla, our Honorable Minister, who is also the local MLA of this area, of this constituency, that I will be making a contribution to this project for the construction of additional infrastructure here. And it may not be to the tune of 34 lakhs, but I will definitely make a contribution of 20 lakhs to your organization for the work here. Once again, this is such a wonderful thing to witness here. I have been to Bynta festivals in the past, but it never ceases to amaze me, the kind of energy, the kind of the love that is there in the air right now. And even though today the Bynta festival is meant to, as a festival, to drive away the plague,
In the afternoon, all the rides
Iperti yang tak ke Iwan. Kuwi ke perom kuah kanai pi.
Ivan, bạch khẩn đàm quạo lại có mức hẳn. Tạm thân nè và đàm này, hàm bần bột ở yang lọc phá.
Bon sen kibrum, juk li pagi yang Tăng ki khmat phom china. Yi ya payo dai.
Còn Ivan ông rồi cái bên husu gà gram mò tọt bún gà gram tem etiar đi pi. Có con đây nè.
Ya khi biểu ngài nè mà. Em khi mà vào tâm anh em già hết.
Em sẽ là ngâm sang kéo vào cậu.
Em ini pedih yang pi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sains suruh.
Ngaku ai ama lai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok. Dewa hikai gua nongkong daga simpul desain gua ar dah hikai daga desain mana je dia kan ga simpul desain.
Gini ke cek tu ram sokar mah.
Kamu dah terang laduk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuah.